Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2007 Toyota Corolla, 30,271 for mileage, stock number 4049. It is a salvage vehicle. And we're going to start right here on the passenger side door. You can see there is a scrape in that door right down the center, and it went into the fender. You can see the bumper cover's got a little tear in it right there. This car's bumped around a little bit all over, and you can see the front bumper cover does have some damage on it, and you can see there's some chips in the headlight right there. The headlight is damaged on the fender, and the spare is on it. So the coolers are all good on this vehicle. We'll pop the hood here, open the hood up here. You can see does have a 1.8 liter engine in it with an automatic transmission. And this headlight does appear to be okay on the passenger side. And we'll go around. There's a little door ding in that door. And I want to point out too, there is some damage to that torque box area right there. And coming around, you can see there's a little scuff right there on that dog leg in the rear door area. And then we got some damage also in the left quarter panel. And the back bumper, like I say, it seems like this car's got bumps, little marks and scratches here and there, and here on the up on the top of the quarter, and also up on the roof. I can see there's some scratches, and there's a little dent there too. Give you a good view of that. And for the options on it does have power locks on it, power mirrors, CD player. The driver's airbag is deployed. Nice fuel economy car. So if you got any questions, please give us a call, and please listen to the following video on how to sign up for YouTube, our channel on YouTube, which does not cost anything. It's free. Thank you. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is Repairables.com, and you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post a video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email, and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on Repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there is also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold. And it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, Repairables.com. And I want to thank you again. Thanks again.